Hi children, today we are going to learn 1.5 exercise verbal problems. What are verbal problems? Word problems. Then what are word problems? See, here they will give some problems what are related to some sentences, some statements. Then with the help of statements and operations, you have to solve the problems. Now see first question. In Lok Sabha elections, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidate got 3,52,768. By how much votes did the winner win the election? First, how to do the verbal problems? First, you have to read the problem 3-4 times up to understanding that concept. Now, here in this topic, what is the topic? Elections topic. In Lok Sabha elections, elected candidate, that means winner. Elected candidate means what? Winner got 5,87,500. That is the first statement. What is the first statement? In elections, winner candidate got 5,87,500. Now, next statement. Defeated candidate means loser who lost that elections, that person we called a defeated candidate. Defeated candidate got 3,52,768 means winner got 5 lakhs, then defeated loser got 3 lakhs. By how much votes did the winner win the election? Means winner how much more he got than that defeated candidate. How many votes winner got than defeated candidate we have to find out. In this problem what he given? One election sir. In elections winner got some 5,87,500. Defeated candidate means who lost that elections got 3,52,768. By how much votes did the winner win the election? Then a winner got how many votes more than that defeated person we have to find out. First we have to write the statements. Number of votes winner got. 5,87,500. Next. Who is next person? Defeated candidate. Who lost that elections? Number of votes defeated candidate got is equal to 3,52,768. When you want more than, how many more than, how many less than, how much left, you have to do the subtraction. How many more, how many less, how many left, how many are remaining, means you have to do the subtraction. Now, take 0, subtract 8, not possible. Then take borrow 10, 9, 4. Then 2, 3, again we have to take borrow 14, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2. How many votes? 2,34,732 votes. Winner got more than defeated candidate. Then here what we have to write? Winner got 2,34,732 votes more than defeated candidate. Now next problem. Fifth problem. A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. Here one factory, one industry is there. In that they are manufacturing bicycles, means cycles. Then each day means what? One day. Each day means every day. Every day they are making only 3,125 bicycles. How many bicycles they are manufacturing one day? 3,125. But how many days bicycles we want? July month bicycles we want. Means in July month total how many bicycles they have to manufacture. Means July means what is the month? 7th month, and how many days in July? 31 days. Here one day they are manufacturing 3,125. In July means 31 days how many bicycles they will manufacture. Means you have to do multiplication operation. Means what is that? Multiplication means 3,125 into 31. Here why we have to do the multiplication? If they will give one day or one article cost or one day how many people visited in the circus or anything, then more days if they will ask, means 10 days how many people will come to visit that circus, then in 10 days how many bicycles they will manufacture, like that if they will ask. One given more asking means you have to do the multiplication. Now here one day how many bicycles they are manufacturing? 3,125. How many in July month how many bicycles they will manufacture, means we have to do the multiplication. Now what are the statements? What is the first sentence? A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Means number of bicycles manufactured in each day, 3,125. Now number of days in July is equal to 31. Now total number of bicycles manufactured in 31 days is equal to, we have to do the multiplication into 31. One 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 3 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 7, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 5, 7, 8, 6, 9. Total how many manufacturing there? Cycles 96,875 cycles they are manufacturing in July month. Now here they will given one day how many bicycles they are manufacturing. In July month total how many bicycles they will manufacture. Means one day how much? 3,125. July how many days? 31 days. Then 31 days means one given more asking means we have to do the multiplication. Then 3,125 into 31 is equal to 96,875 cycles. Next, now sixth problem. The total weight of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. Find the weight of each packet. Here they given 5 biscuit packet size and one packet they are asking. Means here more articles weight given, one article they are asking. Means we have to do the division. More given, one asking means we have to do the division. One given, more asking means multiplication. Here we have to do the division. Now first we have to write the statements. Weight of 5 packets. 8 kg 400 grams. Next, how many packets we want? Only one packet. Weight of each packet. Here more given, one asking means we have to do the division. 8 kg 400 grams divided by 5. In 8, 5 how many times goes? Only one time. 1 5s are 5. 3. Bring down 4. 6 are 30. 4. Bring down 0. 4 8s are 4. 5 8s are 40. 0. Bring down 0. 0s are 0. Now what is that? 1 kg 680 grams. What is that? 1 kg 680 grams. Only one packet weight. Now last statement what you have to write? Weight of one biscuit packet is equal 1 kg 680 grams. When they will give more articles cost or weight or anything and find the one article or one object like that, you have to do the division. Next, the distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. Now here one girl is there. Gayatri daily she is going to school and from school to home she is going return to her home. Then how many times she will walk? One time to school, one time to home. From home to school one time, then school to home second time. Then 2 times she will walk. How much distance she will walk? 1 kilometer 875 meter, only one side. Both the ways means 2 times means 1 kilometer 875 to school. Again from school to home how much distance? Same distance, 1 kilometer 875 meter. Then in one day how many times she will walk? 2 times. One is going to school, one is from school to home. Then 2 times she will walk per day. But how many days we want? 6 days we want. First we have to find out how much distance she will walk in one day. Next we have to go for 6 days. First how to find out one day distance? Means we have to add 2 times. Because from home to school one time, school to home second time. Then 2 times we have to add distance 2 times, you will get 1 day distance. Next we want 6 days. 6 days means what? 1 day given, 6 days asking. 1 given, more asking. What we have to do? Multiplication. See, now how to do? Solution. Distance from school to bus stop. 1 kilometer 875 meter. Then distance walked by Gayatri in one day is equal one day how much she is walking? 3 kilometers 750 meter. But we want 6 days. 1 day given, 6 days asking. Means we have to do the multiplication. Distance walked by Gayatri in 6 days is equal 3 kilometer 750 meter into 6, 22 kilometer 500 meter. 22 kilometer 500 meter. See here, the distance between school and bus stop 1 kilometer 875 meter. Means from school to bus stop. Again, bus stop to home. Now she will walk both the ways. Means from school to home, home to school. 2 ways she will walk. Then one way how much? 1 kilometer 875. Both the ways means we have to add 3 kilometers 750. But it is in one day only. But how many working days in 1 week? 6 days. Then 6 days means we have to do the multiplication. Then total distance how much she will walk in 6 days? 22 kilometers 500 meter.